Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am going to show you guys how to make the metallic watercolor that I made. And I'm just going to put it in one of these because I couldn't find the right type of containers, but that's okay because it'll work more like a palette. And I'll show you how to make a mica spray. Now, before we actually get started on anything, I wanted to show you guys what this is what the purple the metallic spray looks like. They haven't been sealed, but they've been dried. And this is, some more of the purple. And this is the kind of gold color. So I'm going to make a darker gold spray, I think, because I think it would look better. This is the reddish color. It's not really coming off on camera very dark, but it's darker in person. That's just where it was sitting on top of the green. And this is the green. I'm going to use that in a journal. Like I said, I haven't sealed them yet. So it does kind of come off on your hands. But I'm going to seal it with Aquanet. Works exactly the same as the other stuff, and it smells so much better, so it's definitely less noxious. Okay, and I actually found a little spoon that comes with the mica powder, so it's like a really tiny little spoon. But I'm going to go ahead and this is probably maybe a 2-ounce spray bottle. They didn't have any of the smaller 1-ounce bottles. Because I want sort of a darker gold. Just going to add 1 scoop of light gold. 1 scoop of yellow gold. Okay. And I will do 2 scoops of the Aztec gold. Now you can just add water to this and then add a few drops of alcohol. I just add complete straight alcohol to the bottle. And the reason that I do so is because the drying time is a lot faster. When you do that, when you add the alcohol, you don't have to worry about it, going bad or anything. So that's the end of that bottle. And it doesn't matter whether you use like 50%, 70%, or the 90%, just whatever is fine. Because all 3 alcohols have germ-killing properties. And it just makes an alcohol mica spray. Okay. And then you shake it up. And, Terry from Sweet Pea Papers gave me a really, really good tip. So, if you have trouble with your bottles clogging, you can take this out and then just trim the bottom so that it doesn't touch the actual bottom of the bottle, so that it doesn't cause the clogging of the mica powders and stuff in there. And that was a pretty good tip, so I thought that I would share that with you guys. Okay. Now, I will... Oh, that's a purple paper. Hang on, let me grab one of the gold sheets. Okay. We'll see if it comes off. But yeah, I think once that dries down, it's going to be a lot more golden color. Look at that. That's pretty. Okay. Let's set that off to the side to dry. And we'll just go ahead and do some more gold watercolor. So I am going to use the Aztec gold because it seems to be like the darker gold. And I'm going to do 3 spoons of that. Into the little wells. And we're just going to add a small amount of water to stir it around. Maybe just a tiny bit more water. Okay, whoops. Too much water. But it's alright, you can add more powder to it and it'll dry down. So I'm just going to pour it in. There we go. Okay. That's fine. It takes a few days to kind of dry down. But it will. And I've got a little spray bottle here that has alcohol in it. So I am going to just a couple squirts. Of course, you can leave the lid open to let it dry down, because it won't evaporate all the way too quickly or anything. But then you can fill up the rest of them. I think I'll go ahead and add just a little bit more gold to that. Add some of the yellow gold. Okay. Yeah, much better, much better. Oh yeah, perfect. Because you don't want to really be able to see through it or anything. So once that dries down, it will be a lot nicer. Maybe right here. Clean up my mess here. Alright. Now on the other watercolors I did, I haven't added the alcohol to it yet, because I was waiting for them to dry down a little bit more. And because I made just a small amount of those because I was going to use them up for a project. But as you can see, you know, they still have water in them, but they dry down fairly nicely, but they're still usable. You can use them dipped in the water or move it like this and put your brush into what's left behind in the actual, that's not what I wanted. That's what I wanted. And just a squirt is plenty. But it may not be necessary to do this if you're going to use it up pretty immediately. But generally, you may not want to add as much water as I did to that one. Might want to use a funnel or something, or a pipette. But I didn't have one, so. Okay. But that just ensures that your paint won't go bad or get any, any type of mold or fungus or anything growing in it until it's used up. So, but yeah, that was just a quick video, guys. Just kind of showing you the quick and easy process of how to do it in case you guys want to. Now, they also make mica powders that don't have any like metallic shimmer to it or anything. They do make solid colored. And you can get like samples, I believe, off of Etsy. And that's perfect because a sample bag will probably do 3 or 4 pots of paint in, one little baggie. So, you don't have to go out and buy a whole bunch. I just happen to have that I bought 2 years ago, specifically to make mica sprays with. And I have made it for that throughout the years, the last 2 years, and still have a ton of it left. And even sharing it with my daughter, we still have a lot left. So, but yeah, I just wanted to make a darker gold. I'm still going to use the lighter gold that I have here, so you can see kind of a difference in color. Like this one's, they look the same on camera, but in real life, this is actually a lot more muted than this one. But yeah, that is that. So, alright guys, so when we come back, I will start on the new journal and work on some other projects, and if I can come up with anything else to use the mica powder for, I'll let you guys know. I will see you back here soon, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Bye!